Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are going to dive into loading image from assets and network. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any my upcoming Flutter tutorial. So let's get started. So here is the loading image from assets. So image stored locally within a application, ideal for logos, icon and static resources. We are using assets. For example, image label is assets image. Okay, adding assets to your project. So here is the step of adding. Okay, so create a assets folder in the root directory and place your image in the folder. Then update your pubspec.yml file and then pubget and use the image.assets widget to display. We are showing the example of it in later. Okay, so updating the pubspec.yml file, how to update? So here is the syntax. We are using Flutter. Here is the tip to answer correct indentation to two space to avoid the error in the pubspec.yml file. So in the Flutter we are add two space and then assets, then two space and add our assets and image 1.png. Otherwise we are add a images folder. So we are use assets images folder and then our image.png etc. Okay, so how to display? So here is the example of display assets image in our dart file. Okay, so image.assets, here our image name, then height and width and the fit property to box fit.cover fill. Okay, whatever we want to add. Displaying network image. So we are using image.network and add the our network URL, width and height and the loading builder loading the circular indicator when the image is loading. Okay, and some issue in our HTTP means in our URL, then the error builder is going to icon of errors. Okay, so box fit option we are use for the images of a cover image, contents and fill, whatever we want to use our requirement. Okay, so let's see with example. So here we are use a root our project and add one folder, add assets, and in the assets we are add our logo.png file and then we are add our pubspec.yml file. In the Flutter section we are add a assets in and asset section we are add our assets logo.png. Okay, and then we are add in the our dat file implement assets widget assets to using image.assets and here is our assets name and then fit property. Here I am using a fill property. So fill property, here is the show assets image in the output using fill. Okay, then we are using a network image. So in the network image we are add a URL of network and width and height and here we are using cover property. So what is this work of cover property? So is the cover full cover of height and width. Okay, so we are give a height and width is of network image, so is cover. Okay, using fit box fit dot cover property. So here is the full example of assets image and network image. So what is the summary? So use image.assets for local images and image.network for online images and update the pubspec.yml file correctly. So avoid the error of a assets image. Okay, and box fit property we are using a layout control. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.